Good morning. We went to the biggest little city in the world.
So we're not headed to Reno today, we're actually headed to Carson City. It's time to upgrade the sound system in Nestor's car.
Give him a little before.
Yeah, let's do a little before action.
The song with the most bass, just let's hear it.
Turn it up right here!
Everybody know
I think my iPhone has more bass than that.
So today guys, we are going to fix that. We're gonna get some subs in this trunk back here. We're gonna get a new amp and get the wiring as well because we're gonna be installing it today. All right guys, we'll catch you at Unique Sounds.
No,
close it.
My head doesn't fit.
Put your head in.
On your side.
Put your head in. Oh my god, he's in the trunk.
I think 215s would fit just fine.
Dropped off Marco's car at the tire shop. He's getting new tires installed. And obviously there's not a lot of room in this back seat. So.
Tell us if you hear any rubbing.
What? Boost.
Ah, huevo.
Edwin.
Oh shit, hold on.
Hey, at least I cleaned it out. Kinda. Oh my god.
Alright boys, we made it to Unique Sounds. Time to get some subs for Ongo. Yo Ongo, get these on your car, dude.
Foam it out.
These spinners?
I'm a fan of these here.
Guys, these guys over here at Unique Sounds are always great. They're letting us test out both these boxes in the trunk just to see how they fit.
Yeah, no worries. Actually, this actually will sound really good.
That's really good.
Yeah, that is pretty tight.
This guy right here. Just have it like a little over half for the first week or 10 days, and then you could either turn the knob.
Yo guys, huge shout out to these guys over at Unique Sounds. If you guys have any needs with subwoofers, anything like that, make sure to hit these guys up. They'll hook you guys up.
Tell them Subi Troop sent you.
Yeah, tell them we sent you guys. They'll hook you up. These guys hooked up Nestor with what is this, a 10 or 12? 12. An amp, all the wiring we need.
Give us like
Extra wiring.
Beefier wiring that doesn't come in that set.
You're right. I called the window. Not even an hour in, and Marco's car is already good to go. There's Marco's new tires. He got the Federal 595s. Good to go. He is now safe. No more wire showing. So we're gonna do some Wingstop before we get those subs installed. Fill up, catch a bite, and then get those subs installed in Ongo's car. The hardener?
She did not say lemon pepper was tribal.
Where's yours, Ongo?
I'm broke.
Macho got a sub
On the spot. Getting out is gonna be. That's getting good to you. Like this. Don't yell at me. I'm sensitive.
but you argue so much.
Guys, we made it back to my house. We're getting the wiring up top done first, and then we're gonna move to the rears back here. Should be a fairly easy install. We have a small understanding of how this works. Sergio and I have done it before, so it should be pretty easy. And then Nestor's gonna be learning as well.
This is the main power wire. Basically, this is going to connect to the battery, and so we just cut it from this big piece so we can connect it to this fuse. And we're going to do the same thing to this side. Take a little bit of this rubber off and connect it to this side. And then that'll be for the power wire that's going to run through the car back to the subwoofers.
While Chino works on getting the main power line connected to the battery and everything, we're going to go to the back here. Nestor and Marco are removing the bottom part of the back seat. And then we're going to start the amp and the ground cable, which is right here. Cut some rubber off, and then look for ground. So it's gonna be a ground.
Subwoofer and the amp.
No, so then this one's your amp.
Oh, this
So
goes to
the-
the ground.
So then yeah, this one's plugged in, and then you just find like a
Metal.
bolt or anything metal, and then just bolt it down. All right, check this out, guys. So this is the power cable that Marco's working on right here. This one goes through the firewall, and it comes out underneath your steering wheel. And then from then you just tuck it under the trim of the doors right here. So as you can see, if I lift this up, there's that blue wire. You just tuck it under there, snap everything back into place. And then you want to just take off this one bolt right here for your seat. And as you can see, that little light right in there is the actual trunk. So we just feed it all the way through. And here it is out the trunk. Now it's ready to go on the amp.
Did you get it?
This one here is your power cable. This one's going to hook up to the positive terminal of the battery. Bolt that on. And this one, like I said, runs all the way through the car. And you just tuck it underneath there. This white one here is going to be your ground. So that one hooks up to the amp.
So the RCA here goes on the input, and then this just connects to the input or output on the back of the stereo. And that just makes the sound travel from the stereo to the amp to the speaker to the subs. What we're doing now is we're getting this REM cable. It's just a power wire, and it's gonna go in here, and this wire is basically so that the amp turns on when the stereo turns on. Without this one, you'd have to turn it on manually whenever you want it on.
After we get this hooked in, then we'll go ahead and put in the bass control, which will hook into this one, I believe, right here. And then we'll just feed it all the way through the front of the car, and then probably Velcro it to wherever Nestor wants it.
Clean up all this wiring so it looks better.
Yeah.
And it'll all be hidden away. Your nose clippers.
This is all ghetto, guys. Usually you would have like tools for this, so you don't cut the actual wire, just the plastic that covers it, but we don't have that. We do have everything wired up now. Everything is good to go. Nestor is plugging in that positive terminal, and hopefully we have power and everything works. Alright guys, they are in. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but these things are slapping hard. Look at that, damn. At first we weren't getting the subwoofer to go off. The reason for that was we didn't have the right connections on the actual stereo. So as soon as we found the right connections, it lit right up. So at this point, everything's done. We're just going to clean everything up just because this looks really messy right now. Tuck all that wiring in, make it look really good. I think that's a good spot for the subwoofer. That was some good stuff by the homies. We got everything in. It honestly feels good to get new stuff, but it also feels better to do it yourself. Good accomplishment. So we got it all done.
Get in this. Really? You made me bleed. Good. Good. What did I say? Blood, sweat, and tears.
So check it out, guys. Subs are in, wires are tucked. Check out that wire tuck.
Got it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was not a though. Walk inside my kitchen begging soda on the board. Cody's banging on the dough while gripping the 44. I
wonder if you guys can hear it.
Shit I seen before. Y'all see your nothing like guilty, but my rubies in my belt though.
Yo guys, this thing slaps. That's crazy. We're all done. Let us know what you guys think about this. I think it was like maybe like a 2-star difficulty level
Out of what?
out of 10. It wasn't that bad.
Well, you already
I don't know if you could hear it through the video, but it sounds really good. I'm happy with the way it turned out. Everything's nicely tucked. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Make sure